Everyone obsesses over Amazon, but Walmart is quietly making sellers rich. And I'm going to show you we have been managing multiple clients on Walmart as well as Amazon, and we've been seeing crazy spikes in sales on Walmart as long as you're consistent and you learn the algorithm. You can see specifically in December, right? The holiday season, Walmart is just insane. And it's a whole nother stream of income, a whole nother set of customers. A lot of Walmart customers don't even shop on Amazon. So this is a gold mine to get started on Walmart, especially before the holiday season. Now, the second thing I wanted to go over, other than consistent sales and huge spikes in sales, is going to be the amount of sellers on Walmart compared to Amazon. And right now on Amazon, 9.7 million registered sellers, which is just completely insane, right? Anytime you hear the word million, you know it's a solid amount of money or people or items, right? And 9 is up there compared to Walmart. They just surpassed 200,000. So we're in the early days of Walmart. That means this is the best time to get started, dive in, start getting more reviews, start learning the platform before everybody else does. Now, there is a barrier to entry for Walmart. The application to actually get approved is a little bit difficult, but this is a great time. And we're going to go for number 3 on Walmart, the algorithm. So as you know, nobody actually fully knows Amazon's algorithm. Like they might say they know, right? SEO, you know the basics, but how does Amazon's algorithm actually work? Well, Walmart actually tells you this is their algorithm. So they'll look at your listing and they give you a score, right? 0% to 100%. 100% means your listing has a perfect algorithm score for Walmart. If your listings have perfect algorithm scores, most of the time on Walmart, what we've seen is they start generating more sales. They automatically get pushed to page number 1. And there's many more benefits compared to that, like more clicks. Sometimes you don't even need to run any Walmart ads at all. So it's very exciting to have a platform like this. So Walmart will actually single out your listing, and they actually have this on the platform. It's called Listing Quality Dashboard. And it literally tells you if it's a customer favorite and your listing quality score. You can see this one's at 49% with 12 issues. Click on the issues. Walmart tells you exactly what's wrong with it and how Walmart wants it to look to ensure it matches with Walmart's algorithm, right? So Walmart's algorithm is different than Amazon's, but it's just exciting to have a tool. Next up is it is cheaper than Amazon. So what we did is we actually did a test ourselves just to triple check and see, is Walmart actually cheaper than Amazon? And we got this Amazon product, right? It's a biodegradable bag. And we listed it on Amazon and on Walmart. And we compared the breakdown in fees. Okay, so what we did is we did a full breakdown. And you can see on Amazon, they're charging 15% commission. And then on Walmart, they are charging 13.5%. So the commission's less, right? $7.69 for Walmart, while it's $8.54 for Amazon, right? Shipping on Amazon, this is shipping to the customer, $8.13, $7.75. Storage fees on Amazon, 87 cents, 75 cents, right? So they're pretty close, but at the end of the day, Walmart is definitely cheaper, right? And here's the total cost is $17.54 for everything on Amazon compared to $16.19 on Walmart. So that's about $1 you're saving every sale. And if you're selling 1,000 items and saving $1,000, that's a significant amount. So everything does add up. Also, Amazon charges $39.99 a month for professional seller. Amazon charges triple storage fees for Q4. Walmart doesn't do that as of right now. Amazon is known for charging extra hidden fees. So there's just a lot going on. And Walmart right now is definitely one of the platforms to beat. So definitely keep that in mind. And the last thing is that Walmart is doing their best to copy Amazon, right? They're trying to copy Amazon, but make it almost the same and cheaper for sellers. So you can see Amazon A+ content, Walmart's calling theirs below the fold content. Amazon FBA, Walmart WFS, Amazon Vine, Walmart Review Accelerator, right? So Amazon Vine, as you know, it costs money to enroll. Walmart, it does cost money as well for reviews, but they give you credits, right? And sometimes the credits cover all of the reviews, so it's completely for free. Again, Walmart also gives you credits at times for shipping. And then below the fold content, there's third-party platforms that provide this for free. So a lot of this stuff on Walmart is very, very similar to Amazon, and it's purposeful. And then what Walmart's doing is trying to make it cheaper, trying to make it free, trying to make it better for customers. So at the end of the day, it is a great time to start on Walmart and be one of the people who can start generating sales consistently and over time building a huge secondary business. That's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you are a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services for Walmart is full account management. We're going to help you get on Walmart, inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, advertising, design, and most importantly, increasing your sales. It's all about helping you save time, money, and increasing your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.